Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Chikon Dotto and today I'll be sharing with you my Ajio top haul collection, and all of the top will be under 500 and one top is more than 500 rupees and that is also under 600 rupees. So it will be a super affordable haul. So without wasting much time, let's quickly jump into the video. This is the first top from this haul, and this top is from Ellie Studio, and this is the only top that is above 500 rupees. The price of this top is 519 rupees and the other top are less than 500 rupees. This top has round neck, geometric print all over the front, long sleeves, and the material is 100% polyester, so it is very much comfortable to wear it. Here I am creating 2-3 style with this top, and you can create several style with this top. I am pairing this top with the denim jeans. Anything of black color will always give a slim look, and it's perfect for any college wear or any day outing with friends will be perfect with this top. The link of every tops will be mentioned in my description box. Please do check my description box for more details. And I ordered every top in this haul is of large size. This top is from the brand Shoei and I paid 3 to 5 rupees for this top. The material is 100% polyester and it has 3/4 sleeves, round neck, and it has a chain at the back. The color of this top is off-white, and here it's showing white, but the actual color is off-white. And here I am pairing this top with the black jeans and black high heels. It has a black piping at the front and a very small black net detailing at the front, and it has a black inner. Very thick, very good material inner inside. This top is perfect for any day wear or any casual wear. I just love the top. This top is from the brand Myra and I paid 478 rupees for this top, and this top has 3/4 sleeves and ruffle detailing at the hand. This top has a net detailing at the front and at the back neck, and the color is navy blue. The material is 100% polyester, and here I am pairing this top with the dark blue jeans. You can team up this top with the black jeans or white jeans. It's perfect for any office wear or casual wear. You can tuck in the top to create different style. Here I am wearing the top as it is, and this top is fully justice with what I paid for this top. This top is from the brand SUGR and I don't know what to pronounce, so can't say anything, and I paid only 235 rupees for this top. This top is my favorite top from this haul and I just love the top. The material is 95% polyester and 5% lyra. The top is stretchable. It has full sleeves and round neck, and here I am pairing this top with the denim jeans. It's perfectly goes well with black jeans also, and the top is too much shiny. It's perfect for any night out. Color of the top is black and it has maroon white print, dot print all over it. One thing I want to tell about Ajio has a variety of top, and there is no problem of returning the top if you do not like the top. This top is also one of my favorite tops, and I just love all the Ajio tops. This top is from the brand Mistaken and I paid 498 rupees for this top, and it has a shirt collar and a ruffle detailing at the front and at the back. It has full sleeves and the material is polyester, and it has button at the front and it can be opened from front. It has a tie nut at the back and the top is quite transparent, so it will be better to wear a inner inside of the top. Here I am creating 2-3 style with this top, and you can create several style with this top, and I am pairing this top with the denim jeans. It perfectly goes well with black jeans also, or maroon or red jeans. You can team up this top with any color jeans. It goes well perfectly with any color. This top is perfect for any day or night outing. This top is from the brand Fig, and I paid only 222 rupees for this top, and there are 4 colors to choose from, and I chose this orange color, and it has print all over the top. The material is viscose, and here I am pairing this top with the black jeans. It perfectly goes well with blue jeans also, or white color jeans. This top has round neck, ruffle sleeves, and this top is super duper comfortable to wear. The fitting of the top is perfect. It not too loose, not too tight. It just goes perfectly well with me. This top is perfect for any college wear or day outing with friends. This top is from the brand Shinoy, and I paid 375 rupees only for this top. This top looks super unique for its sleeves, and the material is rayon, and it has white polka dot all over it. It has round neck and it has bells to tie up to give a peplum look. Here I am pairing this top with the black jeans and black high heels, and it goes perfectly well with blue jeans also, and it's perfect for any day outing or night outing. Nowadays polka dots are just in, so you can give it a try, and this top is also my favorite. Each and every top from Ajio is my favorite top. This is the last top from this haul, and this is from the brand Myra, and I just paid 374 rupees only for this top. The material is polyester and it has 3/4 sleeves. It has a ruffle detailing at the neck, and for that it looks so classy. And it has white and maroon print all over it, and here I am pairing this top with the black jeans. That's all for today, and if you guys found this video helpful, then do give it a big fat thumbs up, and do share it with your friends and family. Do subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet. Do it now and press the bell notification next to it so that you will never miss any of my updates. You can also follow me on my Facebook page and my Instagram ID. I will provide the details of all my internet handles in my description box below. Please do check that out, and I will see you all soon in my next video. Till then, tata, bye bye, take care, have a great day.